Grace.
Yeah, mate.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Gaz is tripping over things. Oh, the battery's the battery's good because I got earplugs in. Safety first. Today we've done these already. These was the super polybush. Bust them out with the drill because Gaz is smart. Took like 4 hours. It don't really. It took like 20 minutes. I can't hear what these pair are saying. You can't put that. My next ones and these. Already doing these. This took so much slack out. I could move all of this from my arm. So pop this off. Pop this off. Pop this off. Drop this out. I still can't hear him. And then drill this bad boy out. Yeah, well, Gaz, one bombs his kit that's got 4 weeks of fucking overspray on it. Mush, it's dull.
It is.
But I paint, it's overspray. Oh my god. Nice. What are you doing, pal?
Cleaning.
What's today's build and Gaz's gadget?
Cleaning.
Cleaning.
Remember, make your shit look good, yeah?
Just about to get dark.
Yeah. Well,
You're going to put the kit on, it looks sick. Oh my god, look at it. You all see it with the wide. Oh my god. Gaz is about to make wheels look better on his car than my own. Snake.
They are my wheels.
They, at some point, yes. So, we're out now. I'm going to do a little O2. This little jobby.
Grab the mechanic.
Find the right size cup. This kit was lots of money, wasn't it, mate? Just after we'd bought the press, we went, oh, we've got nothing to press in and out of. But they come with your all thread. Pop that through, nut on the inside, and then you just tighten it up. And luckily this time, that whole bush came out with it. So replace that with something decent now, and something that's made out of cheese. That's quite a bit of play. And then we're good to get. What's he doing here? What's he doing here?
Killing myself.
Oh dear, let's put all that down. So let's do the next one. So we're getting sidetracked here. It's like an episode of Juice Box now, we're getting sidetracked. Jesus! Fuck! Holy shit!
Slow, isn't it?
Okay, about how low it is. Look how sick it looks. Look at Gazzy's face. Look at his mush. It's like my own car, but better, you fucking. Jesus fucking Christ. Oh! I've still got bigger dishes though. I'll tell him that. He'll see this in post. What's up, guys? Yes.
What's going on? It's Gaz here. Yeah, I mean, remember me? My YouTube channel? I'm only joking, it's ours.
We've got 2, yeah. We've got one each there, mate.
Look! Not sure if you've seen in the background, but the pier is here. Unfortunately, this is goodbye. Took the wheels off. He's on the way. He'll be picking it up. Half of me is a bit upset. Not really crying much, but just gutted that I can't build it. But needs must at the moment, and I feel like stretching myself between too many projects, not enough time, not enough money. But I'm sure one day we will get round to building another one. But I just thought I'd drop this clip in for everyone that actually watches the YouTube and isn't just watching Verossa shit. But yeah, I'm literally saying goodbye tonight. It's a shame, but in bit. How you getting on here, mate?
Sad.
You recorded any of this?
Yeah. Very stupid.
Putting bushes in?
Huh?
Is this you putting bushes in?
No. Taking bushes out.
Ooh. It's a nice bush machine.
Nice bush machine.
But anyway, I'm coming off camera again now because this is all Grant's magic toast of Verossa. I'm going to put you back on charge.
So!
What's going on?
El Bushito is in there. This one.
His colour.
This one's Super Pro. This one Rank 1. We are on full camber. Everything's tight, torqued, fitted. It was probably, everyone was saying this is going to be like a 3-day job, and it was like half an hour.
It wasn't half an hour. It was like 2 hours.
Yeah, but we dragged it.
But it was massively quicker, because the best way to get the bushes out is an SDS breaker or an air chisel to knock the collars out.
Basically, loads of impact. And then,
That's it.
see, get the new ones just fell in. This makes weird noises, which I'm happy about, but it is what it is. We've guessed the alignment. Got to guess the alignment on the front. Put the wheels on.
The camera, you know. You should go. Right. So what you got to do now is we're going to put the wheels on.
I'm more impressed.
Another note: the PS13 has gone. Our Django Dango Dino DNA has took it away. That just means we can buy more wheels. Look at him just throwing it around. And I've painted the side skirts on the Civic. The S15 is in the unit. You want to know a bit of magic? This car and that car and that car can't get in the unit because we've got a ramp that's like 20mm high, like a metal, not even metal, concrete lintel ramp. So just stops you coming in the unit. So what we did was we found some 18mm ply, I mean Grant, but I'm from...
The shelving that has been drying out.
The shelving, which has been here for 2 months, we now use to drive on. So if you look under the tyre,
20mm
the car is now 20mm off the floor because it's on ply, but it means you can drive it in without taking the kit off. And that...
Come in.
What do you think of my wheels, Grant?
My wheels.
Yeah. The car looks bigger.
Looks enormous.
Sick, yeah? Just go and like the damn video. I said that. We're going. Cheers. See you later. Bye. In a bit. It's cold. Ooh. See you in a bit. Ooh. Beautiful day here in Dudley. Happy. Today, I don't know where it's going to take us. Already, up, down, left, right, blah, blah, blah. We've just bought 30 t-shirts. We're going to try making our own embroidered, heat-pressed t-shirts for us. And maybe you might be able to get your hands on a few if you're fast enough. They will be for sale on Instagram because our shop's not open yet. Cheers, Hex. Full blaze, but it's okay. You're racked. This morning, I've been to go and see our friend at Wheelfurb, and they're back. Look at the lovely job. Amazing. Here's the other one. I'm going to take this upstairs. Woo! How about this then? Here's the t-shirts. Here's the Cutloose press. Have no idea what we're doing, but this is my little cave. This is where we'll be making stickers, making t-shirts, building wheels, everything. It was an absolute mess before. Now it's not bad. Here's the wheels we had polished. We've got to go see Shezzy at Midnight Developments. Shameless plug there, because he's got all the hardware, because I've left all the bolts and everything there to be zinc and coated and all that for the wheels, so they're looking fresh, and then we'll get them built. Talking of built, want a little secret? Yeah, it's parking. Yeah, don't be parking in front of my unit, alright? I don't care who you are. But these and these need to be mounted. So I'm going to fit the tyres to them. Nice, yeah. And I was fitting the last one, and I seen this little screw. So I've pulled it out. Is you get a 5mm drill bit, cut the canvas, so there's a metal mesh inside the tyre, yeah? Sand. You want to take the sharp edges of that, so you drill them out, cleans it all up. I'm going to have to find this first. Around this area is all bumpy and all crap, so the patch wouldn't stick to me. So what I need to do is sand all this rubber down till it's perfectly flat. And that's what we're looking for. Nice and grippy for the patch to go on. Yes. This is what you're looking for. Patch and some glue. YouTube famous.
Yay! Too beautiful for YouTube anyway.
Hey! Here he is. Can do. Puncher. Give it a pull, not too much. Sandy.